Feta shrimp skillet. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, ½ teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add onion, cook and stir 4 to 6 minutes or until tender. Add garlic and seasonings, cook 1 minute longer. 2 tablespoons minced fresh parsley. Stir in tomatoes and, if desired, wine. Reduce heat, simmer, uncovered, 5 to 7 minutes or until sauce is slightly thickened. Add shrimp and parsley, cook 5 to 6 minutes or until shrimp turn pink, stirring occasionally. Remove from heat, sprinkle with cheese. Our farm's chef added 1/4 cup of chopped Kalamata olives to the tomatoes for even more Mediterranean flavor. I hope you will like and enjoy it. Stay healthy, folks.